Turn on web services on HP printers. Turning on web services allows your printer to communicate securely over the internet with web-connected printing services such as HP Print Anywhere, HP ePrint Cloud Printing, and HP Instant Ink delivery services. Make sure the printer is connected to a wired, Ethernet, or wireless network with an active internet connection. Note: if you connect your printer to a computer with a USB cable, web-connected printing services do not work. If your printer is connected with a wired Ethernet connection, check the cable and the lights on the printer's Ethernet port. The green link light should be steady and the orange activity light should blink when the cable is connected. If your printer is connected with a wireless connection, make sure the wireless feature is on and the printer is connected to the same network as your computer. Some printers have a wireless icon and a blue light on the front of the printer. If the printer has a blue light and the light is on and not blinking, your printer is connected. How to turn on web services on printers with a touchscreen or LCD display. If your printer has a touchscreen or LCD display, follow these steps. On your control panel, press the HP ePrint icon. If your control panel does not have an HP ePrint icon, go to Web Services Setup, Network Setup, or Wireless Settings to open the Web Services menu. If a summary screen displays, Web Services is already on. If a prompt to turn on Web Services or set up HP ePrint displays, follow the prompts to turn it on or set it up. If you are prompted to update the firmware, press OK. How to turn on web services on printers without a touchscreen or LCD display. If your printer doesn't have a touchscreen or LCD display, use the printer homepage, also known as the Embedded Web Server or EWS, to turn on web services. To get to the EWS for your printer, first print a network configuration or wireless network test results page using button combinations on the printer control panel. Note: you might have to consult the documentation for your printer for the correct button combination. For many printers, press the wireless and information buttons at the same time, or press the wireless and Start Copy Black buttons at the same time. For HP DeskJet 6000 and 6400, NV6000 and 6400, and Tango printers, touch and hold the information button until all control panel buttons light up, and then touch the information and resume buttons at the same time. Find the printer IP address on the printout. To open the printer's EWS homepage, type the printer IP address into the browser address line and then press Enter. If a login or certificate window displays, complete the information to finish opening the EWS. If a website security certificate displays, click Continue to open the EWS. If a login window opens, type the PIN found on the printer UPC sticker located beneath or on the back of the printer, or the password set by the printer administrator. On the EWS, click the Web Services tab. If the tab is not available, your printer does not support web services. If a summary page displays, web services is already on. If a setup page displays, follow the prompts to turn on web services. Note: if you cannot turn on web services, make sure the printer firmware is up to date. Click the Playlists tab in YouTube to find HP videos in other languages. And search our channel to find official HP support videos.